Hi, good day. This is Mel from ABC Bank. How can I help you?
Yeah, I would like to know my remaining balance in my bank account.
Got it. I'll be glad to help you. For the account security purposes, may I please get your account number and the name on the account?
Sure, this is my account. My name is John Smith. My account number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you, John. Let me just check on it. Can you please verify the last four digits of your social security number, please?
Yeah, it's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect. Upon checking here, you still have $84,000. Is there anything else that I can help you with?
Yes, if I transfer my remaining balance in another bank, how long it will take?
Yeah, if we do the transaction over the phone or online, our team will still contact you for verification prior sending your money to a different bank. The whole process usually just takes 2 to 3 days.
Oh, I see. Never mind. I'll just do it after the holidays. Thank you.
You're very welcome, John. Have a great day and thank you for calling ABC Bank. Bye.